Molweni ndiyanamkela nonke kweziChisabe Entertainment izindaba ezisematheni njengamanje ifamily yakwaNtshangase being Uzola Ntshangase as well as Nozipho. Zulu, some newspapers are saying Uzula ngazi why, because laba bantu laba abaka divorce ngisho uko divorce. So kade be trenda for the past 7 days after Uzola evezile laphana ukuthi yena usefuna ukuthatha unkosikazi wesibili 24-year-old Misokuhle. But inkinga ke esitholile lana as sonke we are learning about lesi sithembu asifunayo ke Uzola is that unfortunately uye wayenza without the consent and knowledge yabani ke kankosikazi wakhe uNozipho. uNozipho ke neingane zabo ezu8 ukuthi unfortunately bathole via Facebook ukuthi ubaba ke usefuna ukuthatha unkosikazi wesibili. So kuningi bafowethu okuvelayo sihambe nathi siconnect ama dots here and there. So into entsha manje esivelile, I'm sure we all know ukuthi how nosy we can be uma sifuna indaba zabantu. Abantu ke sebenze research enkulu sebetholile ukuthi laphana ke uMr Ntshangase is a very well off wealthy engineer. Furthermore abamthetheleni ngokuthi he's just wealthy, umuntu okhonayo ukusi afforda isithembu, but bathi uMr Ntshangase sesipherozile via uFacebook wakusembona ukuthi umuntu osonda kwaShembe. Indaba ke manje uNozipho actor as a victim. This is abantu besisa bathi why actor as a victim? Surely bazi ukuthi one day, this day luzofika lolusuku whereby Uzola athi I'm taking a second wife. But mina guys, as umuntu osebukelile yonke channel kaNozipho, I gave myself this day ngabukela nje i-channel kaNozipho laphana on YouTube, I can say and I can confirm ukuthi guys, Uzola, this is a new character aseyipresentile kuNozipho, because even when izingane zaso 5 ingane zabo only they had 5 children, wathi lapha Uzola I don't want any more children. Bekubani obeseyincenga Uzola ukuthi hayibo asandise umndeni? Bekubani? Beku Nozipho the wife. So there's no ways ukuthi it's something mhlambe Uzola ake wayixoxa before prior noNozipho athi I want to take another wife so that sizokwandisa umndeni, because 4 years ago wayengafuni ukuthi babe nezingane eziningi or nezinye ingane ngaphezulu kwalo 5 ebebenawo vele. So I'm really confused uma abantu besithi vele kwaShembe wonke umuntu uphoqelekile or it's a rule ukuthi kumele uthathe another wife, when I'm watching the videos zakwa YouTube umuntu nje wayengafuni, wanted nothing to do with more children. So njengamanje ke kuningi okwenzakalayo bafowethu, and unfortunately Musa Mseleku is now catching fire kuthiwa uyena owenza or that is influencing. Kuthiwa ama shows kaMusa Mseleku are really influential. He is the one o influencer amadoda ukuthi a-illtreat izingane zawo and abafazi babo ngokuthini, ngokuthatha isithembu without the knowledge and the consent of first wife. So I'm just going to read what Usisi wrote about the show Mnakwethu. Angazi ke ngoba Mnakwethu phela usuzobuya very soon ukuthi abantu basazoqhubeka bawubukele noma cha. So let me just read and yeah. So ke uthi Usisi, what Nozipho's husband is doing is a result of shows like Mnakwethu. Those shows are rewritten, or rather have rewritten the rules of what and how isithembu should be done and how it should be taken. Many of those women on the show get publicly humiliated together with their kids. The only difference is that they are not wealthy like Nozipho and her husband. If you watch isiZulu, scholars and elders, they explain how polygamy was practiced and how it was introduced. It was the first wife who took responsibility for finding other wives, and it was her who would introduce the topic of her husband being a polygamist and growing the family, and then they worked together as husband and wife until completion. So kuyagqiba laphayana ukuthi hey uMusa uyena lona ose influence ingane zabantu ukuthi it's okay ukuthi uhumiliate umndeni wakho, your wife, just because usufuna ukuzenzela manje, usufuna ukuthatha a second wife. Musa Mseleku is really, and his shows, they are really behind influencing abantu besilisa ukuthi ba-acte ngalendlela ke aba-acta ngayo bafowethu. So yeah, those are the news of the hour. Kuyasho ukuthi indlela nje a-acta ngayo lo baba uyambona ukuthi akazwa ngisho umshini, akazwa lutho, but ufuna lento ayifunayo. Unfortunately also it does seem as though engathi akasamthanda uNozipho and the kids, the way ase-acta ngayo, the way ase-indlobongela ngayo, ngathi nje akasafune lutho to do with the first wife, usefuna ukumove on with 24-year-old and so buhle. So guys, those are the news of the hour. What are your thoughts on this? If usonta kwaShembe, please guys ngicela nisitshele ukuthi how things are done at your church. Is this the way that it's supposed to go? Uvela ushiye ingane zakho uzifusekise everyone and uhambe uyolobola behind your wife's back. Kwenzeka kanjani ke kwaShembe? Please, let's just engage one another on the comment section, like the video, and ngizonibona on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.